Hello, welcome. So today we are doing an equal breathing practice for stress management. What's great about it is you can do this breathing practice anytime, anywhere, and in any position with eyes open or eyes closed. So when you're ready, get into a comfortable position of your choice and let's get started. So first, just observe your breath without changing it or forcing it. Notice the flow of breath in and out. Visualize the body softening with each breath. Now, we all breathe at different tempos. So, as we transition into equal breathing, you are going to inhale for a count of 4 and exhale for a count of 4. I'll guide you through the first two, but feel free to breathe at a count that feels comfortable to you. Let's get started. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And do a couple more rounds at your own pace. Finish the cycle of breath that you're on and go back to normal, easy breathing. Let's get ready to do it again. Here we go. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 3, 4. Inhale, 3, 4. Exhale, 3, 4. Repeat that a couple more times. Finish the cycle of breath that you're on, and then go back to normal, easy breathing. Again, another round. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Repeat a couple more rounds at your own pace. And again, finish the cycle of breath that you're on and go back to easy, effortless breathing. I invite you to assess how you feel right now and try to give space for whatever you are feeling. And try to give that space without judgment. Just hold it and nurture it. And know that this practice, even if it didn't change how you feel, that you are still planting seeds of rejuvenation, of restoration for your body. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I did timestamp this so that you can go right to the breath work and come back to it whenever you need. Remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Till then, have a great day. Bye-bye.